and I work in Accenture in Global Village. So it's nearby. It's hardly 7 kilometers from here. So quite easy to travel and all. And my husband works also in the same Accenture only. So we have both put up into the Global Village only, and that's why we plan to book over here. Actually, we were looking for an investment point of view. Uh, then slowly we thought of a site. Then slowly the idea drifted towards a built house, but we didn't like the plan, the maybe the area, surrounding area, maybe the connectivity and all. Then somehow one of the my husband friends suggested him to just connect with the brigade. Just why don't you try it once? He just gave a visit to Orient Mall, that brigade main office, and then they showed the catalog. He brought to the home. He showed me the plan, their blueprint. Even I liked the construction, their plan. Maybe some point, some percentage of Vastu was also followed. Where in other builders we hardly see it actually. So I just opted for Oli Brigade among all the many of the builders vouchers whatever he had brought. Then that's how we opted, and we decided to book on Brigade only. Whenever we came to the site visit, we saw till what level their construction had finished, and now what is their next plan and all. They used to tell that the target date and all, and they tried their best actually to meet the target. And no doubt there are some conceptions where they lag behind, but that's okay. Even that happens with when you go and build with your individual houses. That's not a big point of a matter over here. But whatever we have approached, whatever we have asked, whether it might be any single point of a document, and they were all up to date. But whereas with the other builders, you see, we need to spend lot of time, take pressure, tension, everything. Here, a least follow up is can be done with the brigade, I can say. As I hardly get time on weekdays and all, on weekends I mostly spend my time on that jogging track and all, in the garden, and my family also spends time in the swimming pool and all. So that's a pleasant area where some breeze will be coming on and all, a fresh air we get. That's what. Frankly speaking, hardly there are few corrections which can be made, but people say over here who are already residing in this brigade, they already say they have a bit more of complaint. But I see in a different point of view. So when you go with the individual houses, you will be definitely having some or the other limitations, problems and all. But when you see actually the brigade, you are getting amenities, you are getting a social life, you are getting a security. People don't think or in that terms. Instead, they go on like this is not done, that is not done. That will be definitely done. Instead, I would like to take this opportunity through this channel to thank Balchandra and Vinod sir's team. They are doing an excellent, fabulous job. Whenever we have reported him a problem, within half an hour problem was solved.